Have you ever thought about starting a profitable recycling business? Imagine a venture that not only fills your pockets but also helps the environment. The recycling industry is booming, with a growing demand for recycling services and products. It's a win-win situation where you can make a positive impact while reaping substantial financial rewards. And the best part? It's a sustainable and evergreen business model. So, are you ready to jump on board? Let's dive into the steps you need to take to kickstart your own recycling business. The first step to starting your recycling business is conducting thorough market research. A great idea alone won't cut it, folks. It's essential to have a finger on the pulse of your local market. Figure out what waste materials are abundant and easy to access. Are we talking paper, plastic, glass, or something else entirely? Now, potential customers, who are they? Local businesses, schools, or households? Knowing who will buy your recycled materials is as important as knowing where to get your raw materials from. And let's not forget local recycling regulations and policies. These can vary greatly from place to place, so it's crucial to understand the rules of the game in your area. In short, market research is about more than just numbers. It's about understanding the landscape of your business, the needs of your customers, and the laws of your land. Remember, solid market research lays the foundation for a successful recycling business. Once you've conducted your market research, the next step is to develop a detailed business plan. This is not just a document, but a roadmap that outlines your business goals, strategies, and financial projections. It's like a GPS for your entrepreneurial journey, guiding your every decision. Now let's talk about the key components of a recycling business plan. First up is sourcing. Where and how will you accumulate your waste materials? Are there specific industries or companies you will target? Next, how will you process these materials? This is where you detail your recycling method, the technology you'll use, and your operational flow. And finally, sales. You've recycled these materials, but who will buy them? This involves identifying your potential customers, their needs, and how you'll meet them. Remember, your business plan should be as dynamic as your business, constantly evolving as you learn more about your market and refine your strategies. A well-crafted business plan will guide your actions and attract potential investors. With a solid business plan in place, it's time to source for capital and purchase necessary equipment. One of the first places you might look for capital is your personal savings. This can be a great starting point, but it's not the only option. Consider taking out a loan. Banks and credit unions often offer business loans with competitive interest rates. Alternatively, you might turn to investors. Angel investors or venture capitalists can provide large amounts of capital in exchange for equity in your business. Now let's talk about equipment. Running a recycling business requires certain tools. Collection trucks, for example, are essential for picking up recyclables from various locations. You'll also need recycling machines to process the materials. And don't forget about safety gear. It's crucial to ensure the well-being of your workforce. Remember, the cost of the equipment will be a part of your initial capital requirements, so plan accordingly. Securing the needed capital and equipment is a significant step towards launching your recycling business. Now that you have everything set up, it's time to launch and market your recycling business. A grand opening is more than just a formal announcement. It's the grand unveiling of your hard work and dedication. It's an opportunity to create a buzz, to generate interest, and most importantly, to introduce your brand to the public. So make it memorable, make it grand. But remember, a grand opening is just the beginning. You need to continuously create awareness about your business. This is where marketing strategies come into play. Social media marketing, for instance, is a powerful tool. It's cost-effective and has a wide reach. Use it to engage with your audience, to share your vision, your values, and the benefits of recycling. Don't overlook the power of partnerships either. Collaborations with local businesses, schools, or even nonprofit organizations can broaden your reach and reinforce your commitment to the community. Community engagement is another crucial aspect. By hosting or participating in local events, you not only promote your business but also foster a sense of community. And of course, excellent customer service is key in retaining clients. It's about building relationships, about showing your clients that they are valued and their contributions to recycling are appreciated. With a successful launch and effective marketing, you're well on your way to running a profitable recycling business.